Hi everyone, this is your biology class. I'm your teacher Seema Treja. Students, in today's lecture, I am going to discuss one of the important cell organelles related to the chapter Fundamental Unit of Life, that is Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies was discovered by scientist Camillo Golgi in 1898, and on the basis of the name of the scientist Camillo Golgi, the name is given to the cell organelles as Golgi bodies. In plants, we called it as dictyosomes. Now we will discuss the structure of the Golgi body. This is the diagram of Golgi body. Golgi body consists of flattened sac-like structure, which we called it as cisternae. When we discuss the structure of endoplasmic reticulum, it also consists of flattened sac-like structure, which we called it as cisternae. Then what is the difference between the two? Cisternae related to endoplasmic reticulum, flattened sac-like structure which are interconnected. But in case of Golgi bodies, cisternae are flattened sac-like structure arranged one after the other, forming a stacks, but they are not interconnected. In case of endoplasmic reticulum, cisternae are interconnected, but in case of Golgi body, cisternae are not interconnected. They are the individual units. This is the difference between the two. One more structure is present here, that is rounded sac-like structure, which we called it as vesicle. This entire apparatus, that is cisternae along with vesicle, we use the another term, we called it as Golgi apparatus. Cisternae along with vesicle, we called it as Golgi apparatus. We study in case of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum में rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesize the protein. Some of the protein are utilized in the formation of cell membrane, and some of the protein which is not utilized stored into this sac-like structure and released from the endoplasmic reticulum into the form of rounded sac-like structure, which we called it as vesicle, which are received by the cisternae of the Golgi bodies. These cisternae has the two phase. One is the cis phase and other is the trans phase. The cis phase is that phase which is present towards the endoplasmic reticulum, and it is the receiving phase. It receives the material stored into the vesicle form and released from the endoplasmic reticulum, that is received by the cis form of the cisternae. Every cisternae has two phases. One is the cis form, other is trans. With the help of trans phase is transmit the material into the another cisternae. Another cisternae receive the material through the cis phase and transfer to the another cisternae through the trans phase. So every cisternae has two phases. One is the cis form and another is the trans form. Cis phase or cis form, it is the receiving end, and on the other side, that is the trans phase, which transfer the material to next. In case of Golgi bodies or cisternae, the material are released where it is utilized. The materials are synthesized by the endoplasmic reticulum. They enter into the Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies receive the material and transport where it is required. Before transportation, they modify the material and then they transport. Transport is just like secretion of the material. This material is utilized into the formation of cell membrane. Inside this cell membrane, enzymes, carbohydrates are stored and forms another rounded body, which we called it as lysosome. Lysosomes are synthesized with the help of two cell organelles. They are synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum and lysosomes together. So what we observe here, what are the function of the Golgi bodies? That is transportation of material, and before transportation they modify the substances according to the need of the body, and they also packaging the material. So three functions performed by the Golgi bodies, that is transportation, modification of material and packaging of material like protein, lipid and carbohydrate. And both the cell organelles, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi bodies together help in the formation of lysosome. What is the composition of Golgi bodies? They are composed of protein, lipid and enzymes. This is the composition of the Golgi bodies. As we already discussed, cell membranes are composed of proteins and lipids. So Golgi bodies are composed of protein, lipids and enzymes. So three main functions are performed by the Golgi bodies: transportation, modification and packaging of materials like protein, lipids, carbohydrate, etc. Another important function, that is secretion of the material, is also done by the Golgi bodies. एक क्विक सम अप करते हैं कि क्या हमने इस लेक्चर में पढ़ा है. The name Golgi body was given by the scientist Camillo Golgi in 1898. हम कह सकते हैं कि Golgi bodies डिस्कवर की थी कैमिलियो गोल्गी ने. कैमिलियो गोल्गी के नाम के बेस पर इसको Golgi bodies कहा गया. कैमिलियो गोल्गी ने 1898 में Golgi bodies को डिस्कवर किया था. प्लांट्स में हम Golgi bodies को डिक्टियोसोम कहते हैं. Golgi bodies क्या है? Flattened sac-like structure arranged one after the other, forming a stacks-like structure. We called it as cisternae. Cisternae are the Golgi bodies. Along with the cisternae, there are present rounded sac-like structure which are known as the vesicle. Cisternae and vesicle together, we called it as Golgi apparatus. Cisternae consists of the two phase, cis phase and trans phase. Cis phase is present towards the endoplasmic reticulum and it receives the material coming from endoplasmic reticulum. Trans phase is the other side of the cisternae which transfer the material to the next. Both ER and Golgi bodies together help in the formation of lysosome. What is the composition of Golgi bodies? They are composed of protein, lipids and enzymes. Important function of Golgi bodies, that is transportation, modification and packaging of materials like protein, lipids and carbohydrate. They receive the material from endoplasmic reticulum with the help of cis phase. After receiving, they modify the material and also help in transport of the material. During the transport, they secrete the material to the outside. So they help in transportation, modification, secretion and also help in packaging of the material. These are the important function of Golgi bodies: transportation, modification, packaging of materials like protein, lipid and carbohydrates. This is all about in this video.